lagi mo. Wait, what? Why is this still on? I have teleported. Eee, you are annoying, Mr. Mortal Monster. I want to poo. What? Never mind. Why am I even using my voice? Is it even on? Let me see. Why won't it let me see? Oh, I am losing my voice. I'm using my high-pitched voice right now. And if you do something, I will. What is this? Biohazard? I don't know what is that. Don't mind the internet. The internet is garden. What is garden? What the heck? Karma. I'm not using my light reach. That is just my feet. Please do not do anything. When will we start? Start. When start? I am gonna crash out if you don't do anything. Nyopong Ling Ling, don't use that avatar. Yeah. Twang twang makam bang bang. Twang twang makam bang bang. Don't mind my brother's side defense. Okay, I don't care. My camera broke. My camera broke. Never mind. Hey, what is happening? What is this lag? Gian, my brother's voice is now haunting me. You're gay. Ow! Ow! I will fart. Chunk this, make that lower. Dion! This is the longest video I ever made. Please give me subs. Give me subs. Ha? Please sub to Abiha Fluffy on YouTube. This is her. Please follow us. This too. How much people are in here? Oh, this bacon. This chicken nugget looking bacon. Expectro Petroleum. Try to drop kick me and I'll kick your head. Well, anyway. Aldo corrected. What is that? Abiha start. The house start? When did I even say that? Abiha. Video. We make video. What? Sorry. I don't speak hashtags. Sorry, I don't speak hashtags. Razo King. Try to eat me. Why did you try to eat me? Huh? Philippines. What? Why you try to eat me? You try to eat me. What is this Zepto? Is this a Zepto? Please let me know what this is. I think kakapupu. Why is it so laggy?
Just a few more dishes and done. Everything looks perfect. Finally, Mom is going to love this. It's already 6 o'clock and Mom still isn't home. Mom never has time for me. She's always busy and she doesn't even notice how I feel. I spend hours making videos too, but no
Can you stop?
or subscribe to my channel.
A video.
I'm sorry for being late. Work took longer than I expected again. What is this?
What?
Why do you always break your phone out? I'm
No, they dying.